Part 1. Activate your test. Before taking your sample, be sure to activate your test online at homedic.com/activate. To activate your test, you must enter the 12-digit activation code and the 8-digit security code on Homedic's website. These codes can be found on your personal activation card. Alternatively, scan the QR code on the activation card to load the test codes into the Homedic activation portal. Keep your personal activation card until you have received your test results, or take a photo of it. If you have not activated your test kit, the laboratory cannot process your sample. Part 2A. Prepare to take your sample. In your test package, you will also find a blood collection tube, lancets, tube holder, band-aids, alcohol wipes, alcohol-free wipes, and a protective pouch. To help ensure a successful sample, drink plenty of water 30 minutes beforehand. Wash your hands with warm water for 30 seconds and dry them well. Hold your hands against a cup of warm water for 2 minutes to stimulate blood circulation. Then, swing your arms at your sides 8 to 10 times. The best location for blood collection is the middle or ring fingers, near the fingertip and slightly to the side. Use the included alcohol wipe to disinfect the finger and let it air dry. For other blood collection tips, please refer to our website. Remove the cap of the collection tube. If desired, place the collection tube in the included tube holder. Then, twist the cap of the lancet to remove it. The lancet is now ready for use. Part 2B. Collect your sample. Place the lancet against your disinfected finger. Press down firmly on the lancet until you hear a click. If you are having trouble, ask someone else to help. Wipe off the first drop of blood that appears with the included alcohol-free wipe. Stand up and keep your hand below your waist to increase blood flow. Gently massage your finger from the palm towards the fingertip. Drip the blood drops into the tube or gently scoop them up with the edge of the collection tube. Avoid applying too much pressure to your fingertip or scraping your finger against the edge of the collection tube, as this can damage the blood cells and cause the sample to become unusable. Important: fill the collection tube to the top line, to 600 microliters. This is the minimum amount of blood the lab needs to process your sample. Use one of the band-aids to cover the site of the finger prick. Place the cap back on the blood collection tube and press it until you hear a click. Gently tilt the sealed tube 8 to 10 times. Place the collection tube in the supplied protective pouch and seal it using the adhesive edge. Part 3. Return your sample to the laboratory. Place the protective pouch with the sample inside the return envelope and seal it with the adhesive strip. Return each test kit with the provided return envelope. Do not combine multiple test kits in one envelope, as we work with multiple laboratories. Place the envelope in a regular mailbox to return it to the laboratory. The envelope has a prepaid return label printed on it. If the outside temperature is below 3 degrees Celsius or above 25 degrees Celsius, we request that you drop off the package at a post office. Do not send the sample with track and trace. Once the lab has received your test sample, they will process it. Your test results will be reviewed by a laboratory specialist. We will contact you immediately once your test results are ready. Homedic, the easiest way to track your health.